Hey guys, welcome to vlinyyy Tech Tips. Today we're going to be fixing an iPhone 6 with a broken screen. This is what the phone looks like right now. And we're going to be fixing it with an iFixit toolkit that I bought. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first step to fixing the phone is to remove these two screws near the charging port. So let's do that. So the next step is to take off the screen. I'm going to use this suction cup and this pry tool here to take off the screen. I've also put some tape on the cracked parts of the screen so that it doesn't come apart while I'm prying it off. So now that we have the screen off, we're going to take off the suction cup, like that, and then we're going to prop up the screen by lifting it up, and then we're gonna prop it up on a phone box. So now that we have the screen propped up, we're gonna remove this metal plate over here so that we can disconnect the battery. After we disconnect the battery, we're going to want to remove this metal cover and then disconnect the screen from the rest of the phone. So after removing the broken screen from the rest of the phone, you're going to want to take out your home button and then transfer it to the new screen, which doesn't have a home button yet. we just put the home button onto the new screen, so now we're ready to reassemble the phone. Okay, so before we completely reassemble it, we need to see if the phone turns on. So let's see if it does. Oh yes, look at that. Alright, so as you can see, the screen works. So let's finish up this job by putting in the last few pieces. We have finally fixed the iPhone 6's cracked screen. Here's it before and after. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more stuff like this.